Hello guys, welcome to AI Sam's Universe. Today I'm going to show you how to create songs with AI in just seconds. And the best part, it's completely free. And to do so, first open your Chrome browser, then search for Suno AI and simply click on the very first link you see. So this is the landing page of Suno AI. And here, first of all, you'll need to sign up using your Gmail account. And once you sign in, you'll land on the main page. Now click on Create. And here you'll see two options, Simple and Custom. In the Simple option, you can just describe your song idea by typing it here. Or paste a short concept, like a lover who is missing her partner, who lives in another city, and they both haven't met for months. Once you're done, simply click on Create. Now just wait for a few seconds while the AI creates your song. Once it's done, you'll see it generates two variations of the same song. Let's go ahead and play one of them.
I keep ticking loud and slow. Your name's the only song I know. I chase the map like it's a dream, but it's just lines and in-betweens. Do you feel it too? The anchor sky's too blue. Miles between us, but I still see your face. These streets in this quiet place. The nights are cold, but your voice feels near. I hold the air and pretend you're here.
Well, it sounds pretty good, and you can download the song directly from here. Okay, now let's create our next song in Hindi, this time using the Custom option. Here you'll see two choices, Auto and Write Lyrics. In Auto, the lyrics are generated automatically. And in Write Lyrics, you can either type your own lyrics or simply paste them here. I'm going with the Auto option, so I'll paste our prompt here. Create a Bollywood-style song in Hindi about a lover who is missing her partner who lives in another city, and they both haven't met for months. Then you'll see a Style option, where you can pick the vibe for your song. Next, you'll see some advanced options, and under More Options, just enter your song title. And once you're done with everything, simply click on Create. Now just wait for a few seconds while the AI creates your song. Once it's done, you'll see it generates two variations of the same song. Let's go ahead and play one of them.
शाम भी तन्हा है रातों में, मुझे याद आए तेरी बातों में। कब तक यूं ख्वाबों से बातें करूं, दिल से दिल कैसे पास रखूं। दूर है तू लेकिन दिल के करीब, मेरी धड़कन में बस तेरा नसीब। तेरा इंतजार कब तक करूं यार, दिल से पुकार सुन ले एक बार। तेरा इंतजार कब तक करूं यार, मुझसे मिलने का रख वादा यार।
Wow, that sounds so amazing and natural, and you can download the song right from here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.